2017, March 14th, the blizzard, Hurricane Stella, Hurricane Stella's in the house, run for your lives. We got the Troy-Bilt snowblower for its second time of use. Second time. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna make it happen. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it to start. Make an amazing day. We got the blower. I do it until I feel it's right. Put it on. Choke's on. Alright. Let's see if we can crank it up. It's got the auto start. But you know, auto starts for pussies. Use the crank. Oh yeah. Here we go. Time to build a snow!